To ship a graded card, you're going to want to make sure that you have your graded card that's sold, a graded card sleeve or team bag, 2 pieces of cardboard, a single sheet of bubble wrap, a bubble envelope, and tape. I'll make sure that I've linked the items in the description below. To start, place your graded card in a graded card sleeve that is sealed up. Then you'll place your 2 pieces of cardboard in behind and in front of your graded card. Then you're going to tape the front piece of cardboard to the rear piece of cardboard. And as you can see for this card, I am using painter's tape. And you're going to want to make sure that you've taped the 2 pieces of cardboard together on all 4 sides of the card. Now once you've done this, then you can wrap your card in bubble wrap and you're ready to weigh it. Typically, if you're just shipping a single graded card, you can select the 4-ounce first class shipping option on eBay. I always recommend that you weigh your card in bubble envelope before sealing the card inside of the envelope. That way, you'll be able to tape your label onto a nice flat surface. Once you have the label on your envelope, you can put your card inside of the mailer and seal the envelope, and it's ready to be sent to your customer. For shipping a raw card, you're going to want to make sure that you have a card in a card sleeve, a top loader, a team bag, 2 additional top loaders or pieces of cardboard or bonus cards, and a bubble mailer and painter's tape. To start, you'll want to make sure that your card is inside of the card sleeve. This is also referred to as a penny sleeve. Then you will carefully want to slide your card into a top loader and make sure the card slides all the way in. Then you're going to take a piece of painter's tape and tape the open side of the top loader so that the card will not slide out during shipping. Next, you can take your additional top loaders, pieces of cardboard, or bonus cards and place one of each in front of and in behind of the card. Then you'll slide this into a team bag and seal the card. And now you can either wrap the card in bubble wrap or insert it into a bubble envelope and seal that up so that's ready to be sent out to your customer.